If you run a business or agency, you already know many people lose sales not because they don't have lead, but because they cannot follow up the right way or at the right time. That's exactly where GoHighLevel comes in. It's not just a marketing platform, it's a deal closing machine once you know how to use it. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make business tools simple and help you to save time while growing smarter. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for free trial and the bonus links to explore the GoHighLevel for yourself. If you use the link from my video description, you can use the free trial up to 30 days. So check the description and grab that offer. So let's talk about how GoHighLevel actually help you to close more deals. First, it organizes everything. You get a full CRM that keeps track of every lead, where they came from, how they interact with your email or the pages, and what stage of the sales process they are in. So no more guessing or searching through the spreadsheets. When you know exactly who is ready to buy and who needs more follow-up, you already have a big advantage. Now let's talk of the automation, the secret sauce of GoHighLevel. You can set up automated follow-up messages, reminders, or nurturing sequence that end up the leads without you manually doing the work. For example, when someone fills out a form or booking a call, GoHighLevel can automatically send a thank you text or follow up a day later and even remind them about the meeting. It's like having an assistant who never forgets and always follows up on time. The platform also helps you to build trust faster. You can send professional looking email, run SMS campaign, and even create personalized workflow that make every lead feel like you are giving them one-on-one attention. And the best part is all of this runs automatically once it's set up. Another big reason people close more deals with GoHighLevel is pipeline visibility. You can literally see your leads move from new to interested or the on. So it's visually easy to understand and help you to know exactly where to focus your energy. So no more losing potential clients because of the poor tracking. And if you are managing a team or multiple clients, it gets even better. You can assign lead, track the performance, and make sure follow-ups automatically happen on time. Everything is transparent and easy to manage. So in short, GoHighLevel help you to close more deal by keeping everything organized, automating the boring parts, and make sure no lead ever slips through the crack. So if you want to test yourself, check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.